So you come to the internet to learn how you can start a credit repair business, and you get bombarded with companies trying to sell you software, telling you that it's so easy, but then you realize it's not so easy. Well, relax, take a deep breath, because I'm going to give you some big time help today.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services, and I'm going to help you today with your search for information on how to start a credit repair business. Now, if you find this information valuable, it helps you out, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and then hit the bell so you get notified of my new videos. I got videos coming out every single week. So credit repair is a great business. It's a huge market. If you do it right, you can create true residual income, which is important. And you get a lot of satisfaction out of the business. You're helping people, and that's so important. There's a lot of gratification you get from helping those people that need to get that credit score. So it's a great business, but it's overwhelming trying to figure out how to get it started, isn't it? Now, the natural tendency is to think, and 90% of what you find online says that you have to start it all by yourself. You got to do everything yourself. You got to buy software. You got to research state and federal laws. You got to build a website. You got to do all the work for your clients yourself once you get the business started. And you know what? For some people, that might be a good way to go, but that's not the best way for everybody. In fact, that's the hardest way. It's the most costly way. And it takes the most time. Like, why would you want to do that? Like I say, some people, perfect, but for most people, that's not the best way to go. There's actually two other alternatives. Buy a franchise that's set up and ready to go. That's one way. Or do what I did and become an independent agency and represent the best company in the industry. It's the least expensive option. It takes the least amount of time to get it set up. It gives you the most credibility right away, and that's important. It provides you with the ability to offer the most complete package of services. It takes the least amount of time to operate once you get it going. And for most people, that's important because they're starting a part-time business. So that, in fact, is the most important factor, is the time it takes to operate the business once you get it set up. But how do you know which of the three is the best way for you to go? Well, again, relax. I made it simple. I made it easy. I made it fast to figure it out. I've got a questionnaire. This questionnaire, it's 17 questions you're going to answer about the time you have, the money you have, the skills you have, the desires you have, and what you like and don't like to do in terms of the skill set necessary for a business. It's going to make it so simple, so easy, so fast for you. 17 questions. In 10 minutes, you're going to know what credit repair business model is the best way for you to go. So you're welcome. Here's how to get the questionnaire. You look under this video in the description, and there's a link there. That will take you to our website where you can download and print the questionnaire. And by the way, you don't have to give me your information, your name, your email, your phone number. I don't want any of that right now. I'm sure if you like what you see, what you find out, you'll reach out to me if you want to talk with me about what we do. So that's it. Go get the questionnaire. Trust me, it's going to save you a ton of time, a ton of energy, a ton of frustration. And remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell, because I got videos coming out at least once a week. Take good care. Good luck on your search for a credit repair business. Bye now.